Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial about how you can reply to your Amazon customer reviews using FeedCheck. Here we are in FeedCheck's reviews section where all your product reviews across Amazon marketplaces as well as other online stores have already been aggregated. All reviews are made accessible to you as soon as they have been collected by FeedCheck, and you can view them here sorted by the aggregation date. In order to reply to a review, you have to hit the reply icon, and from FeedCheck, you are directed towards the reviews comment box on Amazon. Here you can type in your reply and post it on Amazon. Depending on your Amazon user profile, your reply will be marked either as a manufacturer's or seller's reply and shown on the list of comments according to its associated priority. That's all about how you can reply to your product reviews with FeedCheck. If you have other questions that need answers, please look for them on our channel or get in touch with us at hello@feedcheck.co.